Okay, next one, balanced diet. Next one, balanced diet. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. Which food we are eating in normally a day? That is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. What is the roughage? Roughage means dietary fibers, and already we have discussed it. Our body needs the roughage. Roughage means dietary fibers and water and nutrients for good health and growth of body. Okay, what is the balanced diet? We need the diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too much little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called balanced diet. The food we normally eat in a day. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. Is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health. For growth and maintenance of good health. Growth and maintenance of good health. Maintenance of good health. Our diet should have all the nutrients. Our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs. In right quantities. Not too much of one, and not too little of the other. And not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage. Already we are discussed about the roughage and water. Roughage means it is a dietary fiber. Roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. What is the balanced diet? Diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. The diet is called balanced diet. if our if our diet is having the roughage and water, okay, a good amount of it contains the, it should also contains the a good amount of roughage and water, the diet is called balanced diet. Balanced diet means it contains the good amount of roughage and water, that is called balanced diet.